Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Today we're unboxing and reviewing a powerful new tablet that's gaining attention, the QDDQ P80 Android 14 tablet. It comes with everything: a keyboard, mouse, stylus, and even a protective case. Let's take a closer look at what makes this two-in-one device stand out. Right out of the box, the QDDQ P80 impresses with its clean design and Android 14 operating system. It's fast, responsive, and user-friendly. With 12 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, this tablet handles multitasking with ease. And if you need more space, it supports microSD cards up to 1 TB. The 11-inch IPS 2K display is one of its best features. It's bright, colorful, and offers a wide viewing angle. Whether you're streaming, browsing, or reading, the visuals stay crisp. Thanks to Widevine L1 certification, you can enjoy HD content on Netflix, Prime Video, and other platforms without compromise. Performance-wise, it's powered by an efficient Octa-Core processor. Apps load quickly, and games run smoothly. The massive 8,000 mAh battery gives you hours of usage, making it perfect for travel, work, or entertainment. It also features dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz/5 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.0 for fast connections. The 5-megapixel front and 8-megapixel rear cameras are great for video chats or casual photography. Dual speakers deliver surprisingly good sound for movies and calls. Finally, this is more than just a tablet. It's a full productivity suite. The included keyboard, mouse, stylus, and case turn this device into a mini laptop. Great for students, remote workers, or anyone needing flexibility on the go. So, there you have it. The QDDQ P80 offers serious value for its price. From performance to versatility, it checks all the boxes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions or thoughts on the tablet? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.